Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into Ansible Tower, your automation sidekick. Think of it as a control center for Ansible, making your automation smoother, more manageable, and dare I say, a little less chaotic. It lets you orchestrate tasks, keep schedules in check, and ensure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Plus, it makes teamwork feel less like herding cats. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. So, what exactly is Ansible Tower? Imagine Ansible, but with a friendly face. A graphical interface to make automation more accessible. It centralizes control, lets you manage users with role-based access, and even plays nicely with cloud providers. In short, it's Ansible, but with an extra sprinkle of convenience. Now, why should you care? Because Ansible Tower makes automation effortless. It kicks manual work to the curb, secures your environment, and ensures your team works in harmony. Well, at least as much as tech teams can. Oh, and let's not forget the logs. Because what's automation without knowing where things went wrong? Before jumping in, let's make sure you have the right setup. You'll need a Linux-based OS, enough system resources, and a properly configured PostgreSQL database. Oh, and make sure the network gods favor you. Otherwise, firewall rules might become your worst enemy. Let's get this show on the road. First, grab the latest Ansible Tower package. Then, run the installer, tweak the settings, and cross your fingers for a smooth installation. And don't forget to verify everything, because surprises are great for birthdays, not software installs. All right, folks, before we let just anyone run wild with Ansible Tower, let's make sure we're setting up users properly. First, defining roles, because we don't want the intern accidentally deploying servers to the moon. Then, we create accounts and set access policies, because security isn't just a fancy word. Lastly, monitoring activities keeps us from having any oops moments. Let's do this the right way. Inventories are like grocery lists. You need them to keep things organized. First, define inventory sources, because running playbooks without a proper inventory is like cooking without ingredients. Then, group and organize hosts, so your servers don't feel lost. Dynamic inventories. Yes, those keep up with changes automatically. And syncing ensures you're not dealing with outdated lists. Let's keep our Ansible Tower stocked with the right hosts. Playbooks are the heart of automation. First, upload and configure them, because an unconfigured playbook is just a sad text file. Defining job templates makes execution easier. Trust me, manual runs get old fast. Then, monitor runs, because errors love to sneak in. And troubleshooting. That's how we become automation heroes. Let's make magic happen without breaking everything. Monitoring jobs is like keeping an eye on your cooking. Don't let anything burn. First, track execution status so things stay on course. Analyzing results ensures our playbooks aren't failing in silence. Logs, they're like diaries for our servers. Reading them is crucial. And automated alerts help us react before problems turn into disasters. Let's keep things running smoothly. Troubleshooting is where we prove our worth. First, we identify common errors, because blindly clicking retry is not a strategy. Logs are our best debugging buddies, so let's read them. Applying best practices keeps things smooth, and optimizing performance ensures fewer headaches in the future. Let's turn problems into victories. We've covered a lot: setting up users, managing inventories, running playbooks, monitoring jobs, and troubleshooting like pros. Security and efficiency should always be top priorities, and automation is a journey. Keep improving. Lastly, don't stop learning, because Ansible Tower isn't going anywhere, and neither are automation challenges. Let's take what we've learned and conquer the tech world. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.